Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change fonts in Chrome. The first thing you do is from your Chrome here, you click on the three dots at the top right corner over here, click on it, scroll down to settings, you can see settings over here, click on settings, and then you scroll down here to the search engine. Then appearance, actually click on appearance, and then over here we have fonts, and you see font size over here. So here you can change the font size, very small, medium, large, or very large. Choose the one you want. This I want it to be large, so I've chosen the font size to be large. You can also customize the font. That's if you want to change the type of font you want. You can see it's standard. There are different types. You want mathematical, so that's how to change fonts on Chrome. Choose the one you want, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.